today is going to be like a relaxing post-lockdown glow up sort of vlog. I want to go to the drugstore, pick up something, because you can see, maybe a face mask or something. I'm thinking of getting this new face mask. I just saw an advert not like a few minutes ago, and these braids are old, so I'm thinking later on today I'm going to open my hair up, do a ponytail. Got a new hair conditioner from Cream and Nature, and also I'm taking the kids to a little stroll to the park, and we're gonna go to McDonald's. I don't feel like eating McDonald's for some reason. I just feel like having their McFlurry ice cream. I'm only getting ice cream. Everyone else is gonna have like burgers and stuff. It's been like this for months. I don't want to eat McDonald's. I just want the ice cream. I am back. I put my hair in like a ponytail. I haven't had a ponytail in quite a while, or a side parting. So I popped into Superdrug and I picked up two things. Let me go and get it. As I said before, I picked up the Cream and Nature argan oil. This one's like £10, like it's like $9.99 or something, and like, yeah, I think that's probably my most expensive thing in the Cream of Nature range. And the second thing I got, which I'm going to try out now actually, I saw this on the day I bought it on an advert. I've literally been watching Fashion Mumbler. She's my new obsession now. Her vlogs, like, I've just been loving it, and she's moved into a lovely home and she's making it look all vintage and like cottagey style, which like is just my thing right now. And like one of the ads showed that this was brand new, the Garnier Skin Active Hydrochronic, oh, what's that word, Amplo Sheet Mask. Yeah, it's 1% hydrochloric acid plus watermelon extract. Smooth and replump your skin in just 5 minutes. Signs, basically this one's the one for the says there, signs of aging. I've just went back to Primark to see if they had this jacket in my size. They did. It's not even the size that I usually wear, but it fits perfectly. It doesn't show the mum tum, like it just fits perfectly. And even now it's still giving me bagginess, which I just absolutely love, and I love the material. It was £20 well spent. I said, stop. Oh, this is sucked. Ooh, look at that. Oh, there's some thick product on it. Because it's like in a smaller pack, you don't even know how to like open it, so you have to open it so gently so you don't cut off the sheet mask. It was £2.50, I think, no, £2.60 I believe. Well, I've got this on my face, I thought let's have a conversation. Oh, my Body Shop thing's in the way. Alright, I am off to IKEA for the first time since we have reopened. I'm off to IKEA. I'm going to make sure I do a light food shop, because what I'm getting in IKEA, I could put it in a pushchair, because my son doesn't even sit on the pushchair unless he's going to eat or sleep. Apart from that, he just likes to walk. Has any of you had like one of the, do you have a kid that just, like, I didn't buy the pushchair. The pushchair is from my previous child and it was just in great condition, and we were like, you might as well use it. And then I tried in fact, after I had the baby, I tried ordering a double pushchair. I ordered it, it never came. The driver was giving me the runaround just to have it delivered. I was like, you know what, this pushchair is in great condition. My other kid, like, he's still walking, but it's just sometimes he would get tired when we're out and he would want to like sit down. That's why I needed a double pushchair. Either way, I think I'll be able to put it in a pushchair. So I'm going to IKEA. There's this new IKEA plant thing. It's this cherry blossom tree. I want to get it. Okay, first of all, I need to see how it looks like. I've seen it online. I really like it, but because I'm really obsessed with cherry blossom trees, like I've got a couple near my home. I think most people have cherry blossom trees near their home. Around the corner there's like this pink cherry blossom tree, and that's the one that IKEA has. It's the pink one, and like I need it in my life, so that's why I'm getting in IKEA. And then there's this other leafy plant, again that's new. I've been seeing a lot of people have it in their home, but I think people, the ones that I've been seeing on like the home decor on YouTube, they have the real ones, but IKEA's got a fake one. I can't look after real plants right now. My life is too chaotic. Now one day I'll get a real plant. It's definitely a must for me. I did get one, but it wasn't working out. I will get a real plant one day. I think when we move, I'll get a real plant and like look after it and watch it grow, because I love plants. Oh, nice. Oh. So I'm just gonna rub off the extra fluid. I'm gonna leave that to dry on my face. I am not rubbing it off with cotton pad. No, dry. I like how it makes me feel. I like it. The skin looks really good. Oh, I also have, I don't know if you watched my last video, I also have the Garnier organic night cream with soothing lavandin anti-aging sleeping cream. Yeah, so you know you've washed your face properly if your cotton pad is literally not even, like, look at that cotton pad. I like this. Oh yeah, it's giving the glowing plump. Oh, I like this. Oh my goodness, I woke up dusty. Okay, don't mind that, that's an old spot. Worst place to get a spot on your face. I love this. I'm buying this again. I think this is better than I've just exfoliated my skin smooth. Yes. Oh gosh. Oh yeah. I like this.